Alright, on this beautiful day, I want to show you a couple of things. I'm wanting to learn some computer vision with Python, and I have a couple of examples that I'm working on. First is to actually read a um, file that's located on your computer locally. And as you can see here, in less than 10 lines of code, in fact, we trim it up in roughly 5 lines of code, we're able to do that. In this resources folder, we have this image. If I go ahead now and say run, and local images, there we have it popping up. So in just that amount of time, we have it running. And really, we're just pulling in the image, and by setting a wait key of 0, it waits for you to close it out. You'll see another example. In fact, let's work with remote images. This here, we have some files. As you can see, it's in Azure Blob Storage, using Storage Explorer. And what we're going to do, I have a function that will actually go out, because when you're working with remote files, you have to go get it. It's going to be returned inside of a byte array, and then you need to use NumPy, which is a numerical package that allows you to work in matrices. So by doing that, you're able to get it into a format that computer vision can handle. So I'm going to go ahead now and actually run it. It's going to go get the image. It's going to run this function. Then it's going to show it and wait for 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and click back into here, run. This time with remote images. This guy here. Here it is. It went and grabbed it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goes away. Here we go. The next thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and work with. And the one thing I should mention, where is that one? Webcam. Let's go ahead and work with webcam. So in this guy right here, it is going to spin up my webcam, set the size, set the brightness, and then wait for me to stop it. So let's go ahead and file, run, and webcam. And as you can see, I'm sitting right outside here. And if I press Q, it stops. And I think, let me see, what do I have for online image? Yeah, this one's pretty cool. So if I go here and say run again and do online image, you'll actually see it loads 2 files, one 5 seconds and another for another 5 seconds. So basically just looping through, and then in 5 seconds it's going to stop. Roughly the same thing as the other one, except this one does a loop through it. That's basically it. This is all located inside my GitHub repo. I have a GitHub repo called Fabian Williams CV Python. It is public, so you can come here and grab the files. They're already pushed up, so play around with it. As I'm learning, I'm going to go ahead and dump stuff here for you guys as well.